Hello kids! Today we're going to learn about the bedroom and the bathroom. Look, this is a bed. This is a bedside table or night table. This is the wardrobe. This is the chest of drawers. This is a shelf. If it is one, it is a shelf. When there are two or more, and it is a plural idea, we say shelves, okay? So here we can see two shelves. Bathtub or bath. This is a shower. The toilet. This is the wash basin in the bathroom. This is a mirror. Now, this is an example of a bedroom, okay? There is a shelf here. There is a wardrobe. There is a chest of drawers here. There is a bed in the bedroom. And there is a night table in the bedroom. Now, let's look at an example of a bathroom. This is a shower. There is a bath. There is a wash basin. And there is a toilet, okay? Now, copy all these elements in your folders, okay? The picture, a little drawing, and the words, okay? Mi sugerencia es que a medida que vayan viendo la presentación, vayan copiando cada una de las palabras y haciendo un dibujo sencillo al lado de cada palabra de todos los objetos que corresponden al dormitorio y de los que corresponden al baño también.